Hey, basedkitten here, and today I'll be playing some more Brick Rigs. Now, I went through the recording of the last Brick Rigs video, and apparently the audio is not the best, so I'm going to be getting a new headset for that. But anyways, hope you guys are enjoying Brick Rigs, because I really am. And apparently I lost a subscriber, so, oh well, I'm still a small channel, so I can grow. But anyways, it's back in Brick Rigs, stuff has happened. Things are going to start blowing up Brick Rigs, so Brick Rigsians and Bob decided it was a good idea to go to space. There he is. It's a good idea to go to space. So we're going... Does my processor hate me today? That's cool. Doesn't want to work. Oh. I think we can go launch this into space. There we go. Welcome to Brick Rigs, everyone. Welcome to Brick Rigs. What have I just witnessed? Okay. Anyways, let's actually have fun. What have I done? Oh my god. Okay. So we're gonna go over here. And I'm gonna spawn the actual rocket and actually launch it this time. I, as you can see, am not the best. And I just did that, okay. And I cannot even properly launch a rocket. And I'm going, and and I'm dead. I cannot launch rockets, can I? Nope, I cannot. Apparently I can't. Let's actually launch the thing. This thing does not want to fly today. Oh my god, it literally worked last time. Okay, let me just end the match and I'm gonna redo this. Give me 1 second. Okay, it respawned. Why is it not working? I feel like there's something wrong with the rocket. Hello? It's not working. There we go. Off to space! Woo! Oh my god. Beep, 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 beep. What the hell? Oh no. Oh no. The engine stopped working. Oh no. Bob, I think you done yourself. I think you done yourself, buddy. You screwed yourself. You screwed yourself, mate. Well, there goes Brick Rigs. Well, welcome to Brick Rigs, everyone. Where Bob dies. Bob, you outdone yourself. You really did, buddy. Well, we already know what's happening. Look at the altitude, and we're pretty much dead, as you can tell. Oh my god, you can just hear the air. You guys can't, but... I'll resume the video when it gets a bit closer. Okay, we're closer to the ground. We're done for. Adios, Bob. You done yourself over. Again. Will I actually survive this? Nah, probably not. Oh, I survived. Somehow I'm still alive. But probably not for long. Yeah, I'm dead. And I am somehow still alive. Nope, I am not. Okay. Well. Bob, you okay? Okay, buddy? Never mind. That totally exploded. Okay. I'll be right back. I may or may not have just broken brick rigs. Again. Oh, I did it. Okay, so Bob bought his new house. This is Bob's new house. Bob is rich because he has saved the city a couple of times. This is his new house. He's so happy about it. He's super happy. Wait a minute. What's that sound? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Bob, you're gonna have to wipe that grin off your face. Oh, Bob. Bob, you outdid yourself again. There's a nuke right there. Well, Bob, some of your house is still there. Yeah, he's pretty happy. Yeah, pretty much part of your house is still there. Yeah, pretty much. So I guess maybe it's nuke proof, I guess. Hey, Bob, your house survived. Surprisingly. I did not expect it to. Not at all. Not actually, I did not expect this at all. Okay, if you guys didn't know, I found this on the workshop. So, it's not mine, just letting you know. But, Bob, okay, so, Bob, let's see, what damage did it do? Looks pretty okay right here. Yeah, there's a bit of rubble right there. Not too bad. Got the nice little kitchen. Ooh, you got some bread, brick bread. Delicious stuff. Oh my god, this house is awesome. Okay, let's actually go up. Oh, Bob, there's some wreckage right here. Bedroom's still intact. We can clean this up. Oh, I just randomly died. Okay. Welcome to Brick Rigs. Okay. Anyways, so let's oh, this door is is this door broken? Never mind, that's not a door. Okay, so most of this, oh, let's look in here. Got pretty shattered. But, for the most part, Bob's house is still intact. I mean, sure, some of the roof has been broken over here. And his closet's kind of broken. For the most part, it's pretty good. So let's see like the actual damage. So it blew his. Actually, it's pretty much nuke proof. This thing didn't take much damage at all. So that's something Bob is really happy to know. So good job, Bob. You bought a good house that doesn't kill you, like pretty much everything else you've done. Okay. Okay, Bob. Okay. Eh. Alright. Right. Let's see. Oh no. Another set of nukes incoming, aren't there? Oh, Bob. What have you done? Oh no. Yeah, did yourself, buddy. Oh. Cluster nuke just bounced right off. Never mind. Never mind, Bob. Never mind. Never mind. Oh. Something in the house collapsed. Now the house is just all collapsed and there's wreckage everywhere. Bob. You like stop wasting your money, Bob. I heard it's the Titans doing it. Oh no. Bob, I know what you're thinking. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Oh god, you can do it. Bob, why? Bob shot a nuke into space, and now he brought down the International Space Station. Bob, why did you do this? Oh, and it completely wrecked the Titan's face. There is nothing left of his face. Oh god. That's one way to get demonetized. Titan's somehow still alive. Or is he? Does he even have a brain in there? Guessing not. He's somehow still standing, so Bob cannot stand that. Bob cannot have that happening. Bob is gonna grab out the big things. Bob's gonna try and bring it down old-fashioned. Brick Rig's way. This is a strong Titan. I think we're gonna need something stronger. It's gonna need explosives to bring down the Titan. He's gonna be sorry I ever messed with Bricksville after like 3 hours. Just wrecking. Look, he just wrecked his intestines. Bob tries viciously to take this thing down. Alright, Bob's gonna keep doing it. Okay, Bob got kind of irritated. So, he crashed a plane so he threw a plane at it. Well, technically he threw a bomb at it. A plane with bombs on it. He threw it at it. It's back. Now it's burning. Bob did not survive the process, unfortunately. But he's taken down the Titan. Bob will respawn. He's fine. So now the Titan will burn. I kind of just have to wait for it to burn. I'm gonna go get a snack. Okay, Bob is burned alive. Anyways, he's not gonna go down, so we're gonna have to do it again. Well, that didn't work, and that's not working. Oh well. Bob will defeat the Titan eventually. Well, hope you guys liked this episode of Brick Rigs, and if you did, make sure to subscribe. And this is Basedkitten, I'll see you all later. Bye!